Here it is. After the test run, everything went pretty good. Don't really have any issues with it, other than we destroyed a kryptonite ball joint and it shattered the wheel. I'll put the video in here so you can see it. But other than that, had a good ride. That was partially my fault. Sent her a little too hard at the bowl, but lucky enough, we got another wheel my buddy let me have and another ball joint. So here we go. There's the damage, a little better view of it. Old ball joint coming out there. But I'm gonna go ahead and take its lower arm off. That was easy enough, so now I'll go ahead and get this ball joint out of here. That wasn't too bad. The hammer went ahead and knocked it out of there. You can see what happened to the ball joint. Just went ahead and broke it off. Now the only issue is going to be getting it out of there, but hopefully it's not too bad. Got it out. Probably been easier ways to do that, but oh well. Now all it's left to do, throw a stock one in here and put it back on. Seems like it's in there pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and throw the snap ring back on it. That's done. I believe she's gonna ride fine tomorrow. Wheel does look a little weird on there though. There's the damage. Fixed today. Hopefully this round at Westpoint, a little less damage. Well, I just thought I was finished, but turns out brake rotor is bent as well. Took it for a test ride and the brake pedal was bouncing off the floor, so I knew something was up. So we're gonna go ahead, take off this bent rotor and try to find another one. Now I gotta try to push these studs out of the hub without tearing anything up. Then we'll be ready for the new rotor on there. That was way easier than I thought it was going to be. I just took a scrap tube and put the lug nut back on the stud and popped it with a hammer and it come right out. There's this old rotor. You can kind of see where it's bent. Now all I got to do is install the new one, put the wheel back on and see how it goes.